I am on a mission to make cottage cheese popular again. Many people consider cottage cheese undesirable. But watch my recipe, and if you would try it, give it a thumbs up. If you would not try it, give it a thumbs down. Now to the recipe. Well, I was fixing myself some bananas and cottage cheese. And I know cottage cheese is not as popular as it once was, but it's really a healthy food. And so I'm gonna make it like a dessert. I'm gonna drizzle some maple syrup on the top there. And then I'm gonna put a cherry on top. Just like a little sundae. There you go. Alright, so there we go. Bananas, cottage cheese, and a little maple. And you could also put a dash of cinnamon on there if you like as well. Okay, here's my dash of cinnamon. Here we go. Yummy, yummy. To the tummy, and it's healthy.